Hey guys, welcome back. Today we're trying the Aqua dog. Whenever me and Penny go on walks, she always needs a bunch of water and I end up giving it to her out of my hand and she really doesn't get any water. So hopefully this works. So far it looks pretty cool. It has a good design. Only thing is it seems to drip a little bit. I'm not squeezing it. It's so soft that even if you barely touch it, it kind of does. But let's try it out. Yeah. Keep the water drips. Yeah. Keep the drips. Alright, before she tries it, I want to show you. When you squeeze it, this is what happens. It works pretty well. Let's see first off if she'll drink out of it. She seems to like it. You like that, bee? I'm gonna squeeze it while she's trying to drink it and see what she thinks. Alright, back up. Good girl. Ready? I'm kind of curious about what the cat will think too. I think this thing worked really well. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Let me know what you think down below. We'll see you next time. Penny, what do you think? You give it a thumbs up? Penny. Penny, high five. Yeah.